Here we are inside the Airpower Museum. Look at all the control cables and stuff inside of a plane. If you thought driving a car was hard, you have all those controls in the plane. And some of these planes still fly.
Oh my gosh, really?
Yeah, during the Airpower Air Show.
Is this going on YouTube?
Yeah, it's going to be going on YouTube. Oh, look, a jet engine.
That's one big plane.
Yeah, they got some bigger ones.
Looks like an engine.
It is an engine. It's a jet engine. It creates a lot of thrust, almost like a... Look at the size of this engine.
This is another engine.
Yeah, it looks like almost like a giant car engine. Steven, look at the wings. You see how the wings fold? So on an aircraft carrier, they could store many planes, because otherwise they couldn't get them on the aircraft carrier easily.
Had to be opened up with it because they give you an extra horsepower thing off the ground.
Yeah, that's like the propeller would spin around.
The main thought was to keep the plane straight going down the runway and in the air and go through the ground.
This is an engine from a B-29 Super Fortress. Have you gone up the steps yet?
You might be. No, we didn't go yet.